students, good morning to all. Standard 6, subject Sanskrit. And today I am going to explain you chapter 6. The chapter name is Sapt Vasara. Students, Sapt means 7, Vasara means days. That's called 7 days of the week. And 7 days of the week, that means weekdays. Weekdays means Sunday to Saturday. So according to this, we will going to translate and explain this chapter. So let's start this. Ka Vasara. Ka Vasara means which, and Vasara means day. So which is the day? Ardh Mangald Vasara. Ardh means today and Mangalwara means Tuesday. That is called today is Tuesday. Swa Buddh Vasara. Swa means tomorrow and Buddh Vasara means Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Ha Som Vasara. Ha means yesterday. Somvara means Vasar means Monday. Yesterday was Monday because yesterday gone, that's called yesterday was Monday. Okay students, now see Likatu. You can see here there have some blanks that we have to fill according to Ardh, Ha and Swa. Ardh means today, Swa means tomorrow, Ha means yesterday. So let's fill this and do the translation also. Ardh Sukh Vasara. Ardh Sukh Vasara means today is Friday. Ha means yesterday. If today is Friday, then what was yesterday? The yesterday was Thursday. Ha Guru Vasara. Okay. Swa. Then what was Swa? Swa means tomorrow. So if today is Friday to tomorrow is Saturday. So Swa Sani Vasara. Okay student, let's see the second blanks. Ardh Ravivara. You have to think today is Sunday. If today is Sunday, then what is Swa? Swa means tomorrow. So Swa, today is Sunday. Sunday after Monday is coming. So tomorrow is Monday. So Swa Som Vasara. Okay. Ha means yesterday. So yesterday, if today is Sunday, so yesterday was Saturday. So Ha Sani Vasara. Now see Yogya Vakyani Rachayat. See this some words, and according to this whole the chapter you can complete if you learn it. Ardh means student today. Swa means tomorrow, and Ha means yesterday. Ravi Vasara means Sunday. Som Vasara. Monday Mangal Vasara. Tuesday Buddh Vasara. Wednesday Guru Vasara. Thursday Shukra Vasara. Friday and Sani Vasara means Saturday. Okay students? Now students, come on page number 23. The glossary. Glossary have some meanings. Ardh today, Swa tomorrow, Ha yesterday, Likatu right. These meanings you have to learn student. Now see the exercise. Think and say. This you have to think and you have to give the answer. After this we will do the translation also of this line. Ardh Ka Vasara. Ardh means today. Ka means which. Vasara means day. So which is the day? Today. Okay. Ardh Buddh Vasara. Today is Wednesday? Swa ka vasara. Which day is it's tomorrow? Swa ravi vasara. Tomorrow is Sunday. Ha ka vasara. Which day was it? Yesterday. Ha means yesterday. Okay. Now see. Complete the following table using ha, ard and shwa. According to this, we have to fill this blank. So let's start this. Ravivara. Ha, Ravivara. That ha means students yesterday. Or if yesterday was Sunday, so ard. Ard means today. So today is Somvasara. Somvasara means Monday. Somvasara, then Swa, tomorrow. Mangalvasara. Okay, Somvasara and Mangalvasara. Now see the second line. Guru Vasara. Ard. Ard means today. If today is Thursday, then yesterday was Wednesday. Wednesday called Buddh Vasara. And Swa. Swa means tomorrow. Tomorrow will Sukra Vasara. Okay. Now see Swa. Swa means tomorrow. If tomorrow is Sani Vasara, so here we have to write ha column Guru Vasara, Sukra Vasara. Guru Vasara, Sukra Vasara and Sani Vasara. See the last second line, Buddha Vasara. Buddha Vasara means students Wednesday. If yesterday was Wednesday, so today and tomorrow we have to find. So today Guru Vasara and Swa, Sukra Vasara, tomorrow. Now see Swa. Swa means tomorrow. Now see the last line, Swa Sukra Vasara. Swa means student tomorrow. Then we have to find ha. Ha means yesterday. Ard means today. So ha Buddha Vasara, ard Guru Vasara. After this, see the third one. Recite the following song. This is the song that we have to sing, and then after we will do the translation also. Pratmo Vara Som Vasara Tasya Mangal Vasara Buddha Vasarascha Guru Vasarascha Tatsya Shukra Vasara Sani Vasarascha Ravi Vasarascha Varanam Parivara. Now I will translate it and I will explain you. First is Monday, following by Tuesday. First, what is coming in the week? Somebody is saying Sunday and somebody is Monday. In this song, this is saying the first is coming Monday. So first is Monday, followed by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. Saturday and Sunday is the family of weekdays. Yes, Saturday and Sunday, some parents and families members have holiday. That's why that is called family weekday. Okay, students, hope you all understand this. See, I will send you some translation also. See, student, this is the translation. I already filled the blanks also. This will help you to do the translation and fill the blanks to understand this chapter. Okay? But this you have to write and then learn also. Now see this, student. This also I filled. When I do this song translation also, this will help you to understand this chapter and do the translation and learn it. Thank you, students.